2026, 2:30, Modoc Bridge, Modoc Trail, Sumter National Forest. We're going to run this Insta360X3 camera up where we can get some good video of it. We're going to cross the bridge. It looks like this is the only place to park. It doesn't look like we've got access down there to it anywhere that I can see. There's supposed to be some steps, but I don't see it. And the bridge is so narrow, I'm not going to try to walk across it with traffic coming. These people drive like lunatics. So we're going to run this Insta360 up high.